Hello, today we are going to be discussing this, the Makarov CO2 BB pistol. Okay, first thing you get is the pistol. And then you get all your paperwork, and that's after you lift up the divider. Okay, if I can get a hold of all of it. Okay, first off you get your airsoft airgun rules. Your how does my safety work? My instruction pamphlet. My do not return me to the store even if I am broken sheet. My how to register my airsoft gun. And a flyer for Beretta BB pistols. Okay, now to the gun. Okay, the Makarov is an 18-round CO2 BB pistol. It has a lever safety, up for safe, down for fire. Slide works on it, and a hammer comes back. And one kind of curious thing about this is that the trigger guard drops down in the front. And to get to your magazine, there's a little button on the bottom of it that you just slide forward and the magazine drops out. Here is your plunger for your CO2 cartridge, here at the bottom. And then if you pull the grips back, there is your CO2 cartridge. Now, when I first got this, I was terrified that I was just going to break the grips off trying to get to the CO2 cartridge. But I haven't done it yet. Yay! The Makarov is as iconic to the Russian military as the Colt 45 automatic is to the U.S. military. It has been everywhere around the world since 1948. It comes in 9mm, and it has served and does serve with many police forces in Europe and throughout the Middle East. It is 9mm, and in the U.S. civilian market, they are kind of popular for the concealed carry people because of its size. It is a 1+8 weapon and very, very cheap because you can buy them for like $200 at a gun show, I think. And it's very easily concealed. It can trace its lineage directly back to the Walther PPK. So the Russian version of James Bond could be carrying one of these. So it's a good firing gun. It's all metal except for the plastic grips. And it's really an enjoyable gun to shoot. So I'd run out and get one. Well, y'all have a great day.